inoo duceeya iyo waxyaabahaas aad wada hadlayseen oo wada qoslayseen qaybtaas inaad ku ceysaan baa ayaa la doonayaa waayo si uu sawirka u qaado si fiican
سؤالك علي وقر يدو أنا يقول جواب جابن بان قرب تجاهي قويها عكارا ربع إن نقول فياه قورا وقد ما سدعيان سؤال كجرس كاحجة جيت كياك أهل ما تسأل كجرس كاحجة جيت كياك
مهرديدي يوم ما ملقونا مركان هلك شوي يا ما أنت عكارك سوبردي.
عليو برشلو ما أنت ما مرو باهن. مهرديدينا أبا باكو متريستي. أنت هالكان شوكتي. ما أنت عليو.
أنا أول بالمشوار ومشي غين شريني. أريك ومدة إذا يجوينا. أمريكا آذن يقضياش وحجرت كأي أقويها كأنا من كل أذي أي ما أنت يجوا أنت.
ألاطو كل شيء أجر مهوران إحنا. مانك هواي ديوانكم بوجي مركز كل واقعي مركز علي معلومات نصبته مركز عم بالله تركوب كمية مجالات بيرها مايد بيها مهرد والبا محاكة جوجا يروح كلا لبيه.
As a scriptwriter, what interested you in the writing of this play with relation to what's happening today in Somalia? What was the point of convergence that you saw with the traditional story and today's news of Somalia?
Oh yes, in every story there is an stimulant, or in every writing that stimulates you. The Somali civil war, the painful civil war, was itself an stimulant that caused me to make some collections earlier and make findings on the war and such things. And when I was just in that position, I was contacted by ICRC, Somali delegation, and requested to develop a radio drama for Somali dissemination program. And then I just wanted a way to put together all these findings which I was doing about the war, or the historical background, traditional things on Somali peace and war, traditional or bylaws. And then since it is dissemination, since it was to propagate an information, and what is the nearest thing related to information about Somali tradition comes up to be Warchiraba Akaro Iman. And then in that way, I developed the storyline and ideas from that thing.
waxaanu fadhigeennay maanta ku soo gabagabaysanaynaa intaa aynu guddoonsanay ee diiwaanka la geliyey maantana haddii awdiin la maqan yahay waxaa inoo ducayn doona xaaji shariif sheekh cali ducada ka hor waxaa iga dardaarana
horta guuxiye keliya weyn ma maqlaysaan orday maxay ahaayeen
maxaan sheegahay maxaa ka dambeeyey dareen baa jira ina kala dareeriya qof walibow docdaada digtooni 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 qof walibow docdaada digtooni
ما كلا تشتغل لا هي سمارك واسيد كده وشيء بالك معانا لا حاجبي قبل ما مالي لك الصقر سيد وقت ولاد في اللوانين كل ما ناقونا يوضنا وسكننا أكبر والبا ما يعني
أحمد كريم ما أنا سؤال السبيعي هذا كان لكن قول قرد بين كوبا
There are other radios, Moscow, Cairo, so on, Djibouti, so on, and so forth. But the BBC has got a very, very wide, large audience. And I believe the impact of this play, which I believe is going to be very good, will be, well, very, very well indeed.
haddaan aadmigu gafayn haddaan sababaha guracan garashada seejinay colaadama garabsadeen.
A drama like this one, which is focusing on the promotion of humanitarian values, can it really compete with a teenager carrying a gun? If you think of this generation of young people who have now the power in the streets, the power of the gun.
We have to understand the reason why this young boy is carrying this gun. It is a means of livelihood, since there is no state, since there is no education, no health facilities, no provisions.
No school, no education.
School, exactly. He has to carry this gun in order to earn his living. If you replace the gun with all these necessary provisions, I'm quite certain that this boy will throw away the gun.
And in relation to the story, as you asked, that means if this young boy is reminded the traditional values and what were there, in which he was not experienced enough to know by the time when he was beginning the war, maybe, fighting when he was beginning, then to absorb such ideas may affect him. Yes, it will contribute to the factors.